Hi, in this screencast I will show you how to create a Java application and create a native image for Mac and iOS. I will use Apache NetBeans and the Gluon plugin for NetBeans, and also GraalVM that you need to download and install from their website. So first of all, let's go to NetBeans and verify that we have JDK 11 configured under Tools, Java Platforms, and if you don't have it, install it and configure it here. Next, I go to Tools, Plugins, click on Available Plugins, and search for Gluon. You will find the Gluon plugin that will allow you to easily create new Gluon projects. Okay, that's finished. I can now click on a new project and choose from one of the Gluon project templates. Let's choose the multi-view project for this screencast. You can configure the project name and location here, and some other settings that are specific to this template. So let's click Finish, so the Maven project is created and imported in NetBeans. You can see the POM XML and the main class are opened. So let's first see if we can run this application using a regular JDK. So I need to verify that this project is using JDK 11. Go to File, Structure, and select JDK 11 as the Java platform used for this project. We use the JavaVex Maven plugin to run this application, so select Run Maven and type JavaVex Run. The application is now started with a regular JDK 11. Okay, it has been started. You see the multi-view application with a button and a menu and a second view. Our next step is to create a native image build for this application to run as a binary on my Mac. To accomplish that, we need GraalVM, which I have downloaded and installed from their website. And I also created a symbolic link so I can remember this easily and use it in an environment variable. Because I need to set the GraalVM home environment variable when running the client build Maven goal. So I set the environment variable GraalVM home to where I installed it. Okay, let's run this. This native image build for Mac will take a couple of minutes. And when it's finished, we can proceed with the client run goal. Of course, we need to set the GraalVM home as well there. Let's click run. So now it has started the native image binary for this application. You probably noticed the faster startup time here. To prove it's really a binary, I will show you in a terminal and go to the build directory. Okay, there you have hello Gluon binary that I can run like this. And the same application is started really fast. Okay, I can now proceed building the same application for iOS. There are some extra requirements, mostly related to Apple, and you can find all information in our docs. Also, at the moment, you will need a Mac to do this. But once all requirements are met, I can run the same client build goal with profile iOS. Of course, I also need to set the GraalVM home here. Okay, let's build first. And this build will take a couple of minutes again. Okay, the build for iOS is now ready and we can deploy the application on a device. In this case, I hooked up an iPhone to this Mac and mirrored it here. I will now run client run with profile iOS to deploy the application to this iPhone. There it goes. Installing. And now opening. And here it is. We have the same Java application running on the iOS. So that's it for this screencast. We will show much more, including Windows and Android native builds, in upcoming screencasts. In the meanwhile, visit our website gluonhq.com for more information or to get started yourself.